these are the steps in the claim process as an Accurate Roof Systems client. A hailstorm has come to your area and large hail is hitting your roof. If you hear loud thuds from inside your home, chances are your roof is getting damaged. The damage comes in all shapes and sizes and can lead to the roof leaking. Therefore, the first step is to get your roof inspected by a qualified contractor to verify damage using insurance standards. If you have damage, we can help you file the claim. Once the claim is filed, you will hear from your carrier in 24 to 48 hours to schedule a time to formally inspect your roof, known as the adjuster meeting. It is very important to have your contractor attend this meeting so that nothing is missed. Depending on the amount of storms in your area, you should get an email or letter from your carrier approving the claim. When you receive this, contact your contractor for review to make sure the carrier approved everything needed to complete your roof. Once everything has been approved, you will receive your first check from insurance. This check is the ACV check and stands for actual cash value, meaning they are paying for what your roof is worth minus depreciation and your deductible. During the installation of your new roof, there may be repairs that need to be made that are not visible until the shingles are removed. When this happens, we will notify your carrier by submitting a supplement. When they approve the supplement, they will send you an updated estimate with the supplement included. They will also send you another check to pay the contractor for the additional work and items. Once the roof is repaired, your contractor will send a completion letter to your carrier along with any documentation showing that you did get it repaired. After review, your carrier will release the depreciation amount for the items that were repaired or replaced. Congratulations, your claim process is complete and your roof is replaced.